my strategy for winning at Monopoly, I don't know, because see, I feel like my siblings might see this. And, you know, I like whipping on folks. So I might not include this in a recording anywhere. But my strategy for winning at Monopoly is to buy everything up first. I will go for broke buying every single property. Every property I land on, I buy it. I'm going to buy it. As soon as I'm going around, I will go broke buying every single property. And then as they start landing on it, now you got to pay me rent. And you're bringing me in more money. So over time, you're bringing me in more money. And then once I get a monopoly, and then I'll trade. So then I'll try and trade them a petty property that I know that they don't have the other one too, or something like that, so that I can get a monopoly for my property. And then they're not thinking that all the way through. And so then I get my monopolies, and then I start building houses on it. And I will go for broke building houses on it. And I usually will get my houses on it. I will wait to build my houses on it when everyone's about to go on that street. I'll wait, because it ain't no need for me to buy the houses right now and go poor when I might have to land on one of your properties. So instead, I'm going to wait to buy my properties and my houses when you're about to land on them. And it's a high probability that I'm about to go ahead and get $100 from you now, or, you know, $150 or whatever, instead of just $6 funky dollars. So that's my strategy, and I win every time. And that's going to be our secret.